Welcome, and thank you for visiting the New Jersey Astronomical Association's Paul Robinson Observatory and Buzz Aldrin Astronomical Center. In 1965, NJAA started as a dream of Robinson and 6 like-minded friends who built a club and the largest publicly accessible telescope in New Jersey and dedicated them to raising the public's awareness and appreciation of astronomy. Since the beginning, NJAA has made its home here on this hilltop in Voorhees State Park through the cooperation of the New Jersey State Park Commission. We greatly appreciate the Park Commission, but NJAA is an independent, nonprofit organization and is not affiliated with the state of New Jersey. Everything you see here today, including the buildings, was made possible through over 50 years of generous donors and faithful club members. And we'd like to invite you to join us. Inside the center, you can find out more information about becoming the next NJAA club member. We also have a donation station where your gift of any size will help us keep the dream alive for the next generations. So, thank you for coming. We hope you enjoy your visit.